All right, so we're all the way down here. I'm so happy about this, guys. Like, wow. All right, so this is a nice move for me. This is what I've been waiting for. There's actually no trade opportunity here in the morning, but I'm gonna take profits just because it's gonna be a nice gain. And then there's probably more decline here, but it's risky. If you've got a nice gain, I'd probably just take it. But really, what the cards are saying is close out of short positions here at the end of the day. What's risky is it's Mercury retrograde. We got a high and a low significator here at the end of the day. There's a high cross reading correlation. A lot of things. A lot of things. So probably what I'll do is I'll sell against this 524 put. I'll buy back the short call, the 519 short call, probably the 515 as well. We'll see. I might even buy back. What I want to do is I want to be long by the end of the day here in the midst of this decline. I want to be long going into the following day and close out of the longs here at an important price level, probably right back up here. Absolutely nailed that one. I was worried because we tipped it here, so it's like maybe I was a day off. But here we go. Do I want to sell against that? Not sure I want to sell against the put just yet. See, here's the thing. We got these big moves coming. Big moves to the upside, but I'm advised to be cautious. There's a low. I'll probably sell against the put in this low here. But what I'm thinking, guys, is based on my what I know about what I've seen with Mercury retrograde. We're already kind of down here twice. Unless we come back up here and then slowly come down here and end up around this price level, like the chances are, what I'm trying to get into here is that we'll probably go lower than this. But whatever the case may be, I need to get out of these 512 calls. So if I'm going to cost average down on them, I need to do it in one shot. I only have 1 day trade to close out. I could roll them out a little bit too, but that probably costs a lot. Appreciate it. It was luck. It's about time. I was just kind of like treading water. It's pissing me off. Those were all positions to fix a situation too. So I played it well yesterday. I didn't lose my cool and sell at a loss on anything without thinking about it. Position myself correctly. Looks like I probably want to get into those long positions at the end of the day. Definitely over invested, so I'm gonna definitely sell against the 524 puts. But I'll probably do that at the end of the day. Am I still seeing a highest high in April on the 11th? Like I said, it's gonna come in somewhere probably around here, my man. Not necessarily a highest high, but it'll at least come in around here. Want to be cautious here with this move to the upside based on the prudence card. There's a low coming up after this move to the upside. Matter of fact, that might have been it. What time was that? 9:10. Nah, that was not it. Why they suggest you avoid timing the market. Because you can't time the market. You can't time the market. You can't time the market. They're like robots on repeat. They just repeat gobbledygook that they hear from somebody else who doesn't know what the hell they're talking about either. Just because somebody's talking like they know what they're talking about because they read it in a book doesn't mean they know what they're talking about, guys. Experience. That's the true teacher of lessons, if you ask me. Cool. So what are you suggesting with that? It was luck. What does that say to you? The Saturn square Mars. Those 512s are so risky right now. 2 days expiration. But I'm pretty sure we end up going lower here. Volatility, yeah. Seems about right. All right, well, I think what I'll do is I'll get back on a little bit later when I'm ready to make those other trades. In the meantime, got a lot of readings to do, so glad that things worked out. They could have gone the other way. Mercury retrograde, and we already kind of like tapped this area, but I'm glad that it went the way that I expected because that was a nice gain. I'll be back on later, guys. I'll see you then.